Today, I'll be talking about how you can start out your business on Telegram with about 70,000 nairas or $40. All right. Now, this is going to be a very interesting class because I believe a lot of people are interested to start out. Okay. So at the end of this video, you understand how it works. If you're going to consider starting out the business, you would have gotten a lot of knowledge about how this business works. All right. Because I'll be talking about how it works, who can start it, the salary or the profits, and of course the losses involved. All right. And then we'll talk about how you can apply to start. All right. Telegram is a very popular app, and I believe a lot of people are are going to be interested in considering starting out a Telegram based business because they already have the app. Now, without saying much, let's get straight into what this business looks like. All right. With about 70,000 nairas, you can get started. All right. This is a dollar arbitrage business, which means this is a business where you buy and sell dollars on Telegram. Now, Telegram is already in support of it, so they've created a P2P platform where you can do this trading all by yourself. Now, no part of this video should be considered as financial advice because every kind of business involves risks. So you have to learn the business well, have the experience before you get started. All right. So don't consider it as financial advice. You can do your research more before you can consider starting out the business. All right. So here's how it works. On your Telegram app, you have to locate where you find the wallet. I mean, everybody have the wallet on Telegram. So once you have the Telegram app, you can go check it out. Now, some people may not have the wallet, but I believe if you upgrade or if you update your app, you might find the wallet area. Okay, so you can click on the wallet area, and once you're on the wallet area, you'll be directed to the Telegram P2P. P2P means peer to peer. All right. So let me explain exactly how it works. All right. So once you give it some few minutes or some few seconds, you're going to find this area. Now, just come to this place where you find deposits. Okay. When you click on the deposit, you're going to find the area where this business happens. It happens on this place where you can see the P2P market. It's a market, it's a marketplace, which means this is where people come to buy and sell. So if you are very knowledgeable about how a market works, you know a market is where people do their business, people go to buy, people go to sell, people earn from the market, and people can also take advantage of the market prices. All right. So that's why I mentioned you have to learn more about the business. It is not a guaranteed income. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to learn about it. All right. The reason why I'm screaming learn is because some people will think when they come here, they will make this amount of money or that amount of money. All right. It needs your knowledge first before you can get started. When you click on the P2P market, you're going to find two things. So first things first, you're going to see the buy. Secondly, you're going to see the sell. I'm going to explain. It's very easy and simple. I told you it's a dollar arbitrage business, which means people come here to buy and sell dollars in form of USDT. So once you are here, once you have applied and you have been accepted and you've started the business, okay, you can buy dollars from Telegram and then you can sell it also on Telegram. Now, who are you buying these dollars from? You are basically buying dollars from people who want to just sell their dollars to get cash, just like the P2P market in the Nigerian space, where you can go sell your dollars. People can sell their dollars to you and people can buy from you. Now, when people are selling their dollars to you, you are buying, right? So when somebody sells dollars to you, you are buying. That means you're buying cheaper, all right? Now, when people buy from you, it means you are selling, and that means you can be selling more expensive. So the arrangement or the method is simple. When you have registered and you have been accepted, you can position yourself, open your market, open your store. When you open your store, people come to sell their dollars to you, which means you are buying. And when you buy, you are buying a little bit cheaper. Okay. Still on your store, people come to buy from you. When people come to buy from you, it means you are selling, and that means you'll be selling more expensive. All right. Now, when you buy and they sell, the difference is what you can realize at the end of the day. So let's get straight into what we're talking about. So let's consider the sell area first, okay? Because that is where people can sell their dollars, and that is where you are supposed to be buying from once you have been accepted into the program. Remember, I mentioned I will show you how to get started, or how to be accepted, or how to apply. Okay, so once you click on this place, you can find that this is USDT. I'm going to be using USDT. You can trade other things apart from dollars. Okay, you can trade BTC. You can see this is the dollars here, which is the USDT. So I can choose BTC, I can choose Ethereum, I can choose Notcoin, I can choose Gram, but I prefer USDT. Why? Because USDT is like has more traffic. More people are looking for USDT. So I believe USDT is actually much more better in the market than other kind of assets. So here is where people come to sell their USDT. Let me use this trader for an example. When you come to this area, you can see this trader has already been doing this business, and he has had 21,695 trades. Okay, this one has 16,451 trades. Remember, I talked about Telegram some few days ago. People were asking me how to get started. How do I get started? This is how you can do it. Like I mentioned, this is not guaranteed income. This doesn't promise you any money. If you know how to do the business, then you can realize something for yourself at the end of the day. All right. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of people are already doing it, and this is the Nigerian marketplace, which means Nigerians can do it. Now, apart from that, apart from Nigerians, if you are watching from any other country, you can see that this is you can do. There are a lot of countries here you can select from, and if your country is not here, which means you are not eligible. All right. So I'm going to click on the Nigerian market. So this is where people come. For example, this seller, I told you that people will sell. I say you are the vendor. A vendor is somebody who owns a store on the market. Okay, so you are online, doing it online, right? People come to sell their dollars to you. Then people come to buy back dollars from you. That is the process. So when you want now, when I want to sell my dollars, I can click on sell, and then I'll buy. That means I've sold to this guy. So which means this guy, whose name is Crypto Vibes, is buying, because people will sell to him, right? People will sell to him. People sell to him, that means he's buying. So this guy is buying at the price of 1381. Write down this price. Now, this video is not everything you need to know. All right, it's just a sketch. All right, you can go and do more research. Then write down the price of 1381. I've written down on my paper 1381.12. Write it down. This is his buying price, because people come to sell to him. When people come to sell to him, he'll say, okay, I'm going to buy it at 1381.12. Telegram gives people the right to set the prices which they want to buy. So this guy is buying at 1381.12 because people are selling to him with that. That means anybody who come to sell one USDT to him, he's paying 1381.12. All right. This other one called Echo Rate is 1381.11. Okay, so there's a competition here, but you know how to, you can set, if you want to start the business, you understand what the competition looks like. Then you can go down and down and down. You can see different prices are here, but then you set the one you want. So let me just use this particular one. But you can see all over this area, you can see this guy has 21,695 trades, 16,451 trades, 779 trades. Looks like this guy just got started on this trade. 42,003. This is like the highest I've seen here. 6,155. You know, there are many of them. A lot of them are here. So 401 trade. So there's something I want to also mention. If you look at this guy has 401 trades. Okay. If you look at this area, you're going to see that this thing is showing gray, but this one is showing green. Which means the one that is showing green means the merchant is online. The one that is showing gray means the merchant is not online. So enough of this. Okay. Now when you buy, this merchant is buying. Okay, at the rate of 1381.12. All right. Now it's time for him to sell. Now he has the USDT. He wants to resell. He doesn't have to even do much. What he has to do is to just come back to the area and come to the buy side. He's coming to the buy side because this is where people will come to buy back the USDT. People come to buy USDT, so they'll come to buy the USDT he has. All right. I'm just hoping you understand this video. If you don't understand it, you can try to replay it, because I know I might be explaining it well for you. People come to buy back the USDT. Now, when people come to buy the USDT back, he say, okay, you want to buy my USDT. Now I'm going to sell it back at 1,417 to you. All right. Now he bought at 1,381. Now he's selling at 1,417. You can see if you scroll down here, you can see a lot of people are selling at that same price. So people are even selling at 1,420, 1,550. People are selling at more prices, but then you have to set a reasonable price so people can still approach you. So here you can still see, okay, now you can see this guy. Look at this guy. Let me show you something. Look at this guy called Echo Rate. I think we saw him at the other place. Echo Rate. Look at the price at which he's selling. 1,417. Now let's go back. You can see that this Echo Rate, look at the price at which he's buying. 1,381. So now you can understand that this is what it looks like. All right. Now don't be excited too much. All right. I don't want you to start thinking it's guaranteed income and all of that. Please, it's not guaranteed. You have to do your research. It's a business, and I don't want problems from the YouTube algorithm, because they don't want me or people to paint things as guaranteed income. You have to go and research about it. Okay, go and research about it. All right. Now let's do the calculation and let's see how much the earning potential, the risks involved, everything involved, and the daily realization. Okay, now this guy, let me use a correct guy. Okay, 1,417.15. Remember that I told you that people are he's buying for 1,381.12. So the selling price is 1,417.15. Now don't forget that this is for 1 USDT. So when you come to your calculator, forgive me, let me look at my calculator. 1,417.15 minus 1,381.12. So it's at 6 naira per USDT. That's what that's the spread, which means the profit involved when he buys 1 USDT and sells 1 USDT. It now depends on you. How many USDT do you have? That USDT is like your capital to start with. All right. If you want to start with 100 USDT, is your choice. If you want to start with 200 USDT, is your choice. If you want to start with 500 USDT, is your choice. So if you're starting with 100 USDT, which means that when you buy 1 USDT, when you buy 100 USDT and you sell 100 USDT, this is like your realization for 1 round. 1 round means you buy 1 wave, you sell. In this space, it can take you anywhere between 40 minutes to 2 hours. All right, it can take you more depending on how old you are in the business. If you're starting out, don't think it will take you 2 hours. It can take you more because you are still new. But as you are maturing in the business, it can take you probably lesser time because you now know everything involved. Now this is for 1 round. You can go maybe 30-40 rounds in a day, depending on how long you are spending, because some people spend 10 hours on Telegram. So when you spend 10 hours on Telegram, you want to go like 6 rounds or 7 rounds, you can multiply this amount by 6. It now gives you what you may be getting if you spend longer time and you have longer experience. Don't take this figure as a guaranteed income. Please, it's not guaranteed income. Go and do your research. I'm a merchant, so I know I know the earning potential, and how much is involved. All right, if you spend more time running your dollar business on Telegram. All right. Also, let's talk about the risks involved. I will not talk about the profit without talking about the risks. There are risks involved on Telegram. Remember that Telegram is a very sensitive app. Telegram can ban your account if you are getting too many messages. In fact, I've had many of my Telegram account banned and even hacked. All right. You can be getting so many messages, Telegram will have to ban your account. And they do like WhatsApp, they can restrict your account, and all the money inside of your wallet can be lost. So if I talk about the profit, I'll talk about the risks also, so you can know how much you want to do or how you want to do. All right. I would suggest you to use a Telegram account that you don't get too many messages. All right. If you want to get started, if you want to consider to do it. All right. Also, you have to understand that you have to learn about the business. P2P business has a lot of risks. All right, involved, which means you have to be watching. You are sending money, you are receiving money. All right. So if some people want to send 10,000, they go and send 100,000. Some people want to send 10,000, they go and send 10,000 2 times or 3 times. So if you know, it's just like your POS business if you live in Nigeria. So if you know how to manage it very well, then good for you. All right. So if you don't manage your business well, you're going to lose more than you are gaining. But if you manage your business well, then you can manage and contain the risks that you might be facing. All right, this is good. I've been a merchant before, and I've earned money from being a merchant on Bybit and even on Telegram. Now let's get straight to the last stage, which I told you I'm going to talk about. How do you even apply? How do you apply to be a merchant? The application fee right now is about 70,000 naira, which is like $35 or $40. I told you I'll talk about it. So click on the wallet again. When you come on the wallet area, the 70,000 naira is your application fee. If you don't want to become a merchant again, you can get your 70,000 naira back. It's like your security deposit. And it used to be free before, but now they increase it because more people are coming. After many years, it can be 100,000. After more years, it can be 1,000 USDT. Binance is 1,000 USDT. Bybit is sometimes 2,000 USDT. But this one is about 30 USDT or 40 USDT now. So this is not me telling you to join. This is just me letting you know that if you want to consider a Telegram business, it's at a big discount now. All right. Click on the P2P market. Now you can see become a merchant. Become a merchant is where you have to go if you want to consider this. All right. You can start. How would you like to become a merchant? You can start from the wallet P2P. If you want to start with this, which means you have an account on Binance or Bybit, so you just transfer your merchant account to this place. All right. You can still have the two of them after transferring. All right. But if you're a new trader, you can start with this place. Okay. Let me use the first one. The first one, you have to provide a national ID, which is like your passport, NIN, blah blah blah, any national ID you have. Then the second one, you have to freeze 50 USDT security deposit, which is like 70,000 naira I've been talking about. Also, I told you if you don't want to be a merchant again, you can get your 50 USDT back. So definitely that is like your security deposit. It's not even like a capital, all right? It's like a security deposit, which is cool for you. So like I mentioned, you can manage your ad, all of those kind of things, blah blah blah. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. I don't know. Please give the video a like if you're loving it, okay? So I can make more videos like this, and it can encourage more people to keep watching and learning how to do their businesses online with simple methods. All right. Now, if you have a Telegram, if you don't want to use the first method, you're already a merchant on Bybit. You want to transfer your stats or transfer your account, your Telegram or Bybit account. This means that they will not ask you for any much ID. They will just ask you any much requirement. They will just tell you to prove that you're a merchant on other platform. Then when they consider your statistics on other platform, they can now accept you. Now, if you click on that area, you will see they're telling you that if you don't choose the first method, if you want to choose the second method, then you must have an account that have been old for more than 45 days, which means your Bybit account, or you have been a merchant for more than 45 days on Bybit or Binance, or Bybit or Binance, particularly because that's what they mentioned. Okay, they have Bybit, OKX, BJet. You can see these are the account. These are the account they are accepting from. Completed orders, you must have up to 400 completed orders. You must have 30-day trading volume of 6,000. But if you're a merchant on other platform, you understand what I'm talking about right now. If you are starting out new, you can consider using the first method. The success rate 95%. You know what I'm talking about. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, that means you should use the first method because that one is meant for you. All right. So you come here and click I meet the requirements, and then you can now go ahead and all of that, blah blah blah. You can be considered, and then you can be accepted if they see that you are submitting real stuffs. So guys, this will be the end of this class, and I hope you loved it and I hope you enjoyed it. And then you can ask me more questions about P2P business on the description, sorry, on the comment, and I'm sure you would love it. You have a Telegram app, they can go get it, right? They have a very wonderful day, guys. I'll see you on the next one, and see you tomorrow also.